Okay, starting a little bit further on in the journey. The valve covers are off. The coil packs have been removed. The timing chain cover on the passenger side has been removed. Take a look at that beauty. You ever wanted to know what that looks like? Now you know. So guys, what's the next mission? Well, see these indicators right here? Right there. See that screw hole? See that screw hole? We have a special tool that we lock the two cams, the intake and exhaust cam, in the exact same position so that we know we don't F up the timing. So this is where your specialty tools come in. Now we got to go up front here. We're going to have to manually roll the crank enough for those guys to line up so we can put the specialty tool in. And once that's done, then we get to crawl underneath and do the real pain in the backside part, which is putting the locking pin within the crank. Why do I say pain in the backside? Because you have to take off the support bar to even get at it. Then after that, you have to be a contortionist to get your hand up in there, remove the plug, and insert the tool. Now we're going to step on over to the bench. I'll call this a bench. What is this called? The cam locking kit. What do we find in here, boys and girls? Dun 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 dun. Remember I said those specialty tools? There they are, right side, left side. And these are all the specialty tools for this guy here, here. This one, I think, is for the crank locking, and I'll show a video of that. This guy here is for the turning the crank. And I believe I've got two different versions here, I think. Honestly, I'll have to go look that up again. I'm not 100% sure. Anyway, so you can see there's nothing really like complicated about these at all. They're just simply a bracket, bolt, just keeps them from moving around. And you notice these are exactly the same. And look over here. Would you say those are offset? I would. Why the heck is that, you suppose? Well, remember on the cam and the crank, I'm sorry, on the two cams, the intake and exhaust, they're not lined up, are they? There be one of them there, and back here is the other one of them. So as you can see, out, over, in. Voila, we got the right tool. Anyway, stay tuned for more BS.